This knowledge was never meant to be public. Aliens might not be something waiting for us in the distant future. They might be something buried deep in our past, hidden in data that most people never hear about. In 1976, NASA's Viking landers touched down on Mars with a bold mission: search directly for life. Unlike modern missions that mainly look for signs of habitability, Viking carried experiments specifically designed to detect living microorganisms in Martian soil. When those experiments were run, something remarkable happened. The soil produced chemical reactions that closely matched what living microbes create on Earth. To many scientists at the time, the results looked exactly like biological activity. For a brief moment, it seemed possible that humanity had just found its first evidence of life beyond Earth. The scientific community was stunned. But instead of announcing a discovery, NASA labeled the results as inconclusive. The public was told the reactions could be explained by unusual Martian chemistry. No official declaration of life. No headlines about microbes on Mars. Just a careful step backward. Then came an even more puzzling decision. The definition of what officially qualifies as life began to change. Before Viking, metabolic activity, chemical reactions associated with living processes, was considered strong evidence. After Viking, that was no longer enough. Life now required more complex confirmation. Since then, dozens of missions have visited Mars. Rovers have drilled into rocks, analyzed soil, and searched for ancient water. Time and again, they've discovered organic compounds, methane spikes, and environments that could support life. Yet the language never changes. Interesting. Promising. Needs further study. Never, we found life. So here's the uncomfortable possibility. What if Viking wasn't a mistake? What if it wasn't faulty equipment? What if it actually did what it was designed to do? If signs of life were detected once, how many more times have similar signals appeared in data since then? And how many of those moments were quietly reclassified, renamed, or buried under technical explanations? Aliens might not be something we're waiting to meet. They might be something we already brushed past and chose not to acknowledge. Follow if you're ready for the next layer.